Hi everybody, it's Wanda. So I have a white base coat down. I have mixed these colors a lot thinner than I normally do. They're just a mishmash of colors that I had sitting here that need to be used up. I'm going to try just a dirty cup, see what happens. Because I want to go thin. I'm tired of not being thin enough. So we'll see what happens. They still don't feel thin enough, and I just keep thinning them. Especially that black. I just added water to all these. So I think my thin-o-meter must be broken. Can't tell. I have pink, green, turquoise, black, copper, and gold. And I'll add a little bit more black. That might have been too much. We'll dump the rest of that gold in there. Oh, I hope this turns out pretty. Just did it a minute ago. And, oh no, that's not supposed to have silicone in it. None of this is supposed to have silicone in it. So, don't know what's going on here. Nothing is supposed to have silicone in it. My goodness. That looks like silicone cells to me. That's just bizarre. These are all going to stretch out and go real wonky. Wow, I have rings inside of rings inside of rings inside of rings. I mean, like 5 rings deep. It's too strange. That is just, it's blowing me away because I know that I don't have silicone in this white. I just mixed it. And what I've used these other colors for, I didn't put any silicone in them. So I don't know what's going on here. Maybe they're popping up because I did it like with such a heavy base coat. And some of these are the white ones that are coming through. I want you all to see that. Can you see that right there where there's like a ring inside a ring inside a ring inside a ring? It's just too bizarre. Right here's some in the middle that have the gold with the green with the black. There's what looks like a really cute little frog. Some of this looks like rock. I don't want to get rid of any of it, but there's a lot left on the canvas. I'm just puzzled by this one. Really puzzled. I mean, I know it's thinner than I'm used to, so that would give me a different reaction than I'm used to. But this is craziness. Just plain old craziness. So, that's such a cute little frog face. All right, I'll take the camera down and give you a close-up. I'm so puzzled by how this turned out. I mean, I truly am. There's my little frog face. See that one big bulgy eyeball? But down in here, I like the brown. I like it up against that copper and gold. Right in there, I think there's some. Right in here. I like the pink. That deep, that's that phthalo turquoise that's right in there. Now I'm blown away kind of by this area right here where it's like cell inside a cell inside a cell, like right in there. And then up in here, there were a lot of those that were rings inside of rings. And then the white popped up through it. So it could be just because I'm not used to having it this thin. And then the white base coat on it made it pop up a bunch of white spots. So I'm still learning just like everybody else. Just keep trying. Don't give up. So thanks for watching.